You can see I can open the source code. This is the symbol. It means it's a AMP. Okay, and this is the basic SEO code we using. And in AMP, every component that has to be comes with the exclusive files. Like if you are going to use form, means that's a new component. We need in one exclusive file for form and clicking, like according and everything that comes with a new separate file for it. This is the basic file. In this AMP, we only can use inline CSS only, not external CSS. Okay, this is the basic structure that AMP, every AMP should comes with it. Body, the style AMP boilerplate, and body animation, this animation, everything. Okay, this is the carousel JavaScript file, and this is the form. Here is the my custom code CSS file. In this place only I have used custom CSS for this design. Except this, I downloaded one exclusive CSS responsive framework, AMP responsive framework. For column, grid layout, menu and everything. In body, we have used header, AMP sidebar. The sidebar will be like this. Sidebar and AMP base carousel. Here is the AMP carousel. You can see the images is moving. This is not a autoplay coding. This is the section based content: about us, services, FAQ, and contact us. In this page, I want to test that the AMP file is not comes with the error. AMP validation test. Okay, I can do one thing. I can check it with the other websites and also Google AMP. This is the Google AMP. Here I going to click the code. Okay, I'm clicking the code and I am paste here and click the test code. I have to wait. It takes very few seconds, I think. Let's check it out. Does it take minutes or something? We need to wait peacefully. Yeah, it's get loaded. I get the result. AMP is valid. Pages with valid AMP versions are eligible. AMP specific feature in Google search. Okay, the preview result we can see, but before we can click the view tested page. This is the tested page. The source code is visible proper, that's fine. Screenshot. My screenshot is not loading, I don't know why. More info. Page resource 5 by 9 could not load it. Here is the preview. Okay, I can do one thing. Website speed test. I'm checking Asia Pacific. Load time, you can see within 1.69 seconds it get loading so fast. Total page size is 500 approximately 600 KB. Let's mark as a 700 KB. Performance grade 74. We can check it in another website also. Yeah, we have a A grade plus, performance is 90%, structure perfect. We actually need seconds. Where is that seconds? Fully loaded time. This is the second. Within 0.5 seconds, the website is completely loading. This report says G matrix. First content paint. But AMP regulation is 2.5 seconds, but it gets loaded in completely within 2 seconds. But it says in this report says complete load time is 1.61 second. But we can think like within 1 seconds it gets loaded actually. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like and comment, share.